Hello everybody, Mr. Riddlesworth here, and welcome to my PC build. And here she is. I told you I'd give you her, yes? Yeah, here we go. This tower is a Gigabyte Sumo Omega tower. And it's got some USB 3.0 and 2.0 slots at the top, as well as fan controls, which are these. And it has a hard drive docking station, so you can just plug in any hard drive to extract data. Only one writer, because I don't really use discs unless it's for backups. On the inside we have FX6350 CPU with its own stock heatsink, which is very efficient, so I don't feel the need to buy another one, especially with all the two fans in the top, one in the back, two extractor fans in the front. And the PSU is a Corsair CX750, which is one of the most efficient and one of the most reliable PSUs on the market. And you know the graphics card, I've mentioned it a couple of times, is the Gigabyte WindForce GTX 760 overclock 4GB edition, and it is an amazing graphics card. I've not even played a game that's brought a sweat out of it yet. Just a 2TB hard drive for now. I will add more at a later date if I need to, but I don't tend to store my scratch files. Once I upload them to YouTube, that's it. I delete them off my system. If I want to use it in another video, I re-download it. The motherboard itself is another Gigabyte component. I can't see the model number. There it is, under there somewhere. But this beautiful board has its own built-in Dolby Home Cinema tech, so if I wanted to, I could hook it up to the main flat screen at home and put on a HD movie, and it would be absolutely beautiful with surround sound. Not much happening around the back, just the outtake fan, some cable hoods, not many ports here. Obviously there isn't one for any VGA or displays, because the actual graphics card is what runs the displays. With two DVI ports here, with one HD port and one display port. Usual setup, SPDIF and all the other stuff. Some 1394 ports as well for the new tech when it comes. It also has interchangeable filters in all the fans, which is pretty cool. If it gets dusty or it starts overheating, you just take all the fan filters out and she'll be brand new again. So that's been my dream build. I hope you've enjoyed it. Thank you guys very much for watching. Peace out.